Oh, look at the kick.
Nice
Look at
kick.
We move on to the title fights of the evening. Coming up next is the Delhi Don himself, Jason Solomon, taking on the dangerous champion, Dharanbek Ergashev.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Delhi Don, Jason Ramesh Solomon.
This is his redemption. This is a new beginning for Jason, and we have seen many fighters restart their careers after a long hiatus.
This is indeed Jason Solomon 2.0, but Arjun,
This fight is scheduled for 5 rounds in the welterweight division and is for the MFN welterweight title. First, we introduce the challenger, fighting out of the blue corner. He stands 6 feet 2 inches tall. He weighed in at 74.85 kilograms. Representing the capital city, New Delhi, the fearless renegade of Indian MMA. Make some noise for the Delhi Don, Jason Solomon! Introducing the champion. He stands 6 feet tall, weighed in at 77 kilograms, representing Kyrgyzstan, the reigning, defending MFN welterweight champion of the world, Dharanbek Ergashev.
Gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands at all times. Touch gloves. Step back. Let's do it.
well, the heart of Indian MMA, representing the heart of the nation, New Delhi. He is the Delhi Don versus Dharanbek Ergashev.
He's so serious and so stoic, but that's what half of Jason's game is. It's a mind game. He's going to play some mental games, try to get Ergashev to step out of his comfort zone. He's trying to get Ergashev to abandon his game plan.
Well, I think it's safer to say that Jason is a very mysterious fighter. You don't know what's going on in his mind, and here he eats. Oh!
He needs to be careful. He's eating some shots here right now. He needs to keep his wits about him. Jason looking to land a counter there. And Ergashev, though, just stalking him right now. He's doing a great job of cutting him off. He's not following Jason. He's cutting him off.
We're nearly 80 seconds in and Ergashev has not given up center control of the cage.
Nice right hand by Ergashev. He's managing to find that hold for his hand.
Jason is trying to push.
And look at Jason. Jason is talking trash now. He's trying to get him to shoot and come forward. And boom, straight to the mat. But this is Jason's world. I've seen Jason from this position, scramble and look for better position. So maybe this is him trying to bait him in.
Well, even at the last fight that he had at Matrix Fight Night, that was at MFN 5 against Ravinder Balhara, and he did the exact same thing and pulled the triangle choke on Ravinder Balhara.
No, but that's the thing. The difference in opponent is significant. I told you. He uses these
Reversal here. Look at that reversal by Delhi Don.
He's sneaky. He's got pockets of power and he uses it at the right moment.
Well, the next bout coming up is the welterweight bout between Ravinder Balhara, the silent killer, and the bad boy of Indian MMA, the Delhi Don, Jason Solomon.
The Delhi Don, Jason Solomon.
दिल्ली डॉन जेसन रमेश सोलोमन केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं.
And out of it, 4 have come via knockout, and the rest 4 are submissions. And all the submissions are rear naked submissions.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He stands at 177 centimeters and weighed in at 77.6 kilograms. Hailing from Haryana, the silent killer, Ravindra Balhara! He stands at 178 centimeters and weighed in at 77.2 kilograms. Fighting out of New Delhi, the Delhi Don, Jason Ramesh Solomon!
Jason can put up a striking or a submission clinic against Ravinder Balhara. Manan, whenever I've seen Ravinder fighting, this guy just goes in for the kill.
Just staying away from that and eventually he wins.
Whoa.
We've seen that so many times. And then this is Jason's position.
Well, I think this is what Jason
This
wants.
is Jason's position. He
This
needs
is
to hold
what-
on to this. Jason के कॉर्नर भी चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं कि जेसन हाथ के अंदर से और रविंदर बालहारा निकल गए. निकलते हुए एक छोटा सा पंच भी लैंड किया उन्होंने.
Ravinder Balhara has initially been playing at different weight classes, weight classes higher than this. But tonight, he's playing in the welterweight. We've got Ravinder Balhara taking on the Delhi Don.
राहुल, ये जो अभी एक्सचेंज हुआ था जिसमें जेसन ने रविंदर को क्लिंच में ले लिया था, जेसन को यही करने की जरूरत है. He needs to stay on the outside. He needs to use his kicks. And whenever Ravinder tries to charge in, he needs to grab Ravinder and take him down. If Jason can continue to use this strategy, he will take this fight. But if Ravinder can land some big shots, then Jason could be in trouble. What do you think, Rahul?
Well, honestly, it's been an excellent fight week here. In the last 5 days, I've not seen Jason training a bit. So he may not be that effective as he was a couple of years back. But at the same time, let's not forget that he's been training in the US.
I think Ravinder hurt himself with that kick somehow. He kicked Jason and after that he was on wobbly legs. I don't know, maybe Jason's elbow landed on his kick in some way or something happened.
Manan,
Did you
honestly,
notice that?
Well, I did notice that. I think Balhara has got a lot of weight. And
Oh,
this might
that was
affect
a
him in
nice
this
jab.
fight.
That was a nice jab that Balhara landed.
I would say Jason is an intelligent fighter. Look at the kick.
Nice kick. Yeah. Jason's using his kicks really well in this. एक और बड़ा shot मारा बालहारा ने.
Oh my goodness.
And it landed. One of those shots landed.
That's what I was talking about initially, Manan. The thigh clinch that Jason specializes in. So he takes the opponent in the thigh clinch, will shoot a couple of knees, take him down and work on a submission. We've seen it happening many a times in his previous bouts.
बिल्कुल. लेकिन अभी रविंदर उस क्लिंच से निकलने का काम अच्छा कर रहे हैं राहुल. जेसन कोशिश कर रहे हैं रविंदर को उस क्लिंच में रोक के रखने की या फाइट को ग्राउंड पे ले जाने की, बट रविंदर अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उस क्लिंच से निकलने का.
Look at the kick.
Nice
Look at
kick.
the kick.
We could hear that kick all the way
Oh.
here.
Well, Jason knows he can keep Balhara away with his kicks. And I think what Balhara needs to do is, no matter how many kicks he eats, he stays with Dennis Holman and he's been training with Dennis Holman. So I'm sure he has a good strategy in place against Ravinder Balhara tonight. Look at this.
We are back in the clinch. He's throwing his knees.
That's what I
Wow.
was talking about. His clinch game, his knees.
Let it go to the ground.
Well, I think Jason has a plan in place. What do you say, Manan?
He's definitely been doing a good job so far. Punches avoid कर रहे हैं.
Rounds up.
और अपनी kicks को use कर रहे हैं. पहला राउंड यहाँ खत्म होता है. क्या मजेदार राउंड था राहुल. और बहुत ज्यादा वेट करने के बाद एक वीकनेस सी आ जाती है बॉडी में एंड इट कैन अफेक्ट योर परफॉर्मेंस इन द फाइट. And that's what we want. We don't want him to get mature in any other way, Rahul. Otherwise, he wouldn't be Jason, the Delhi Don.
I have never seen Jason this calm.
He was winning those rounds. Srikanth just caught him out of the blue, so he got unlucky, and with Pawan, he got injured. So I would call it bad luck, Rahul. I don't think we should underestimate Jason just because he's lost those two fights.
Manan, if somebody locks the Kimura on you, you wouldn't call them unlucky, honestly.
Ooh, and that was a big right hand that landed for Ravindra.
Some good exchange between Balhara
But Jason's
and
doing a good job. Rahul, coming back to this fight, do you think it becomes predictable after a while when, the only thing you're throwing is one big right hand? Doesn't it become predictable?
Of course.
Doesn't it become easy to defend that?
Of course, and that's how he got Abhishek Rana in the previous bout. I'm talking about Balhara here, the one in the white shorts.
So it's going to become, as time goes by, I think it's going to become easier for Jason to defend
I
that
think
one right
it has
punch.
already become easier for Jason. Jason is actually getting onto the head. Whoa!
This is
That's
perfect.
a lucky position. Whoa!
This is where Jason wants the fight to be.
My goodness, Jason is in a dominant position. He should lock that triangle, get the win. Oh, taps! What a comeback for Jason!
Oh my God!
Jason
Delhi
come-
Don is back, ladies and gentlemen.
He has proved tonight to be the real bad boy of Indian MMA. What a comeback!
I
what
knew
an
it.
upset for Ravinder Balhara.
Rahul, I told you. What did I tell you before the fight night started? I told you Jason is going to end Balhara. Didn't I tell you that, Rahul?
Well, look at the way. This is our sport. It's got blood and sweat in it, and there's a lot of respect in it.
Absolutely. While they're fighting, their fighters and their opponents.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit stopped this contest in 3 minutes and 20 seconds into the second round, declaring the winner, submission by the triangle choke from the red corner, the Delhi Don, Jason